How to use the Smith machine. The Smith machine is a piece of exercise gear that consists of vertical rails holding a barbell in place. It bears the name of Jack LaLanne Smith, its creator. The barbell is fastened to a sliding device that lets it slide along the rails vertically. The apparatus is made to offer security and stability when performing weightlifting activities. Normally, the rails of the Smith machine have height-adjustable safety latches for hooks. As a safety measure in the event that the user is unable to complete a repetition, these catches can be adjusted to prevent the barbell from lowering too low. It is composed of a barbell secured inside of vertical rails that provide vertical movement while supplying stability and safety elements. The following are some crucial details regarding the Smith machine. Familiarize yourself with the equipment. Before using the Smith machine, take a moment to understand its features and settings. Locate the safety catches or hooks on the machine that can be adjusted to prevent the barbell from descending too low. Adjust the bar height. Set the barbell at an appropriate height for your exercise. The bar should be within a comfortable reach and level with your desired starting position. Ensure that both sides of the barbell are adjusted to the same height. Warm-up. Perform a warm-up routine that includes dynamic stretches and mobility exercises for the muscles you plan to target during your workout. This helps prepare your body for the upcoming exercises. Choose your exercise. The Smith machine can be used for a variety of exercises such as squats, lunges, bench presses, shoulder presses, and more. Select the exercise you want to perform and position yourself accordingly. Proper body positioning. Position your body correctly for the specific exercise. For example, when doing squats, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out, and the barbell resting on your upper back. Maintain good posture, engage your core, and keep your head up throughout the movement. Perform the exercise. Start the movement by unlocking the safety catches and grasping the barbell with an appropriate grip. Perform the exercise through the desired range of motion, maintaining control and proper form. Keep the barbell moving in a vertical path, guided by the rails of the Smith machine. Safety considerations. The safety catches on the Smith machine are there to protect you in case you cannot complete a repetition. Adjust them to an appropriate height to prevent the barbell from descending too low, ensuring that they are set slightly below your range of motion but still within reach if needed. Maintain control and form. Focus on maintaining control throughout the exercise and avoid relying solely on the machine's stability. Control the weight during both the eccentric, lowering, and concentric, lifting, phases of the movement to engage the target muscles effectively. Gradually increase the load. If you're comfortable with the exercise and maintaining proper form, you can gradually increase the weight or resistance on the barbell to challenge your muscles and progress over time. Cool down and stretch. After your workout, perform a cool-down routine that includes static stretches for the muscles you worked. This helps promote flexibility and aids in recovery. It's crucial to remember that the Smith machine has some drawbacks. Natural movement patterns are constrained by the fixed bar path, and free weight exercises may not fully utilize the stabilizing muscles. Furthermore, the machine's design might not take into account everyone's unique body mechanics. Maintaining good form and technique is essential when using the Smith machine to ensure efficient and secure workouts. To use the Smith machine correctly and efficiently incorporate it into your training program, seek advice from a trainer or fitness expert. Hope you found what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share with your friends if these videos are helpful.